So you started carrying a gun and you feel comfortable putting accurate shots downrange out of the holster. But when you try to speed up, you start to miss. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to speed up your draw to first shot from concealment. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Workman, and I'm here to give you the skills, the tools, the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Before we jump into it, if you are new to concealed carry, then I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started concealed carrying, and I want to give it to you for free. So go check that out in the description below. All right, so speed is not only important for competition and training, but speed is crucial in winning a gunfight. The first person to get good hits on the other guy almost always wins. But most shooters will get a good holster and just start practicing their fast draw. How hard can it be, right? It's easy to get frustrated when you just can't seem to pick up that speed. And that is why efficiency is more important than raw speed. This makes the concept of fast shooting less about reflexes and more about good form and repetition. Efficiency is the amount of energy or movement used to complete a task. If there is unnecessary movement in your draw, it will slow you down more than any amount of speed can compensate for. You may have heard the term slow down to speed up. Although this term can be used out of context, the idea holds true. You have to get the form right before you worry about raw speed. Using good form to gain efficiency is essential in any athletic task. Think about kicking a ball, throwing a ball, or swinging a bat. Before you can do anything at great speed or under pressure, you must become efficient at it. Try to think of it as doing it well and then getting faster, rather than doing it as fast as you can, but getting it wrong. Efficiency comes from good instruction, critical thinking, and a lot of live and dry fire training. You would be amazed at how much you can grow with an empty gun and a basement. Things like micro drills can do a great job of helping you gain an understanding of good form. Once you put each step together, you'll find that your draw is much smoother and can become much faster. Maybe this will help. When you learn to drive, your parents didn't immediately take you to the interstate where the speed limit is 70. Why not? Isn't knowing how to drive at that speed an important skill? Because being able to handle each step of driving slowly is a better and safer place to start. Trying to keep control at a high rate of speed can not only be difficult, but dangerous. Drawing and shooting a gun is the exact same. The speed will come through efficiently building those motor skills. If you feel frustrated with your lack of progress recently, then ask yourself, how often do I do dry fire drills? Try doing dry fire drills with great form for 5 minutes every day, and you will be shocked by your results. The way to gain speed is by efficiently repeating good form. Try it out and see for yourself. Wait, don't go. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video. And let me know in the comments, what is your current draw to first shot time? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.